Check your answers to 36 through 41. Number 36, find the slope of the line passing through the points 2, 3, and 2, negative 4. Recall that your slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if 2, 3 is x1, y1, and 2, negative 4 is x2, y2, then we can plug in, we can do negative 4 minus 3, that's y2 minus y1, over 2 minus 2, that's negative 7 over 0. Remember, you cannot divide by 0, so that means this is undefined. Now, let me also remind you, if slope formula gave you problems and you wanted to use a mini table, we could put 2, 3, and 2, negative 4 in a table. To get from 3 to negative 4, we go down 7. To get from 2 to 2, we don't change at all. So my change in y over my change in x is negative 7 over 0. I get the same thing. Okay? 37 says, which represents the graph of a line with a slope of 0? What kind of line has 0 slope? Recall, a horizontal line has 0 slope. So we're looking for a 0 slope, a horizontal line. That's B. Remember, slope dude on the flat part said this is 0 fun. Okay, 38 says find the slope of the line passing through these points. This is a good place to pause the video and see if you can do these on your own, since I've done one with you, and see how you do. Alright, so we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that's negative 4 minus 1 over 4 minus a negative 6, and minus a negative becomes plus 6. So that's negative 5 over 10, which is negative 1/2, right there. Notice, like a lot of multiple choice, they've made sure you're not mixing up your x's and y's. They're also making sure you can take care of your signs. Be aware of that. Number 39, what is the x-intercept of the line below? This line is in standard form. That's the easiest way to find the intercepts. Recall that the x-intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis. And if I have a coordinate plane and something crosses the x-axis, that means that the y value is 0. So there's some number and the y value is 0. So we're going to take 10x minus 2y equals 20. The x-intercept, y equals 0. So we're going to plug in 0 for y. We get 10x equals 20. Divide both sides by 10, and the x-intercept is 2. Remember, that's actually a point, the point 2, 0. All right, 40 says, what is the slope of the line y equals 2? Now, this is a little different because it's just a y. So we need to recall again, not 10. We need to recall a horizontal line has 0 slope, and its equation is y equals. So this, since this is y equals 2, means every y value is 2. So that's a horizontal line which has slope 0. Now, the next question says, which of the following represents a line parallel to the y-axis? Well, if we look at a graph, the y-axis is what kind of line? It's a vertical line, right? So a vertical line is also special. The way we remember that is VUX. A vertical line has undefined slope, and its equation is an x equals. So we look here, is there any of these that's just an x? There is. It's that line right there. X equals 4. means every x value on that line is 4. That's a vertical line.